My name is Ketan Mavani. I am the owner of the Fluid Power Engineers. We are manufacturing hydraulic accessories and controls like suction strainers, breathers, tube clamps, and many other accessories since 1989. We are ISO 9000 2015 certified company. We are exporting our products many countries, and also we have got the customers all over India. Yeah, since 2019 we are using the DataNote software. Before the DataNote we were using the Tele software, and after Tele we introduced the DataNote software. Yeah, actually previous Tele software was not integrating different functions of the department, and there was a duplication of works. So we were in search of some software we can help us to easy our work. So we got the DataNote. DataNote ERP, we generally get trained with the DataNote software within 6 months, and after 6 months we were totally switch over from Tele to DataNote software. Actually, after installing the DataNote software, we reduce the duplication of the works. We start to receive the reports. Of the many reports, we can analyze and improve our business efficiency. So definitely it is helpful. All the departments are using this software, DataNote software, like production, sales, QC, stores, all the departments. We are also able to job work reports also we are going through the DataNotes. Yeah, technically we can say that it was easy for us to get the cost of the product by the BOM facilities, and we are also able to control our quality by inspection report, and many functions are there in DataNote. So drawings, verification of the drawings, many functions it is easy to do with the use of this DataNote software. Yeah. Actually, before the DataNote implementation, all the work was manual work, and it was not accurate and perfect. But after the DataNotes, we all switch over from manual work to system-based work. We are engaged in manufacturing activities, so in productions and QC particularly, DataNote help us too much. Yeah, we have right now 1 unit, but we are 10 users using this DataNote software. Definitely, I would like to suggest anyone who are going to or who are searching for the ERP software, because there is it is efficient software. There is no issue about any critical issue we faced, and it is definitely beneficial to our functions of business activities. We have right now our own server based host. We have not used the cloud.